Glowing skin is a result of proper skincare. In today's video, I've come up with an amazing DIY face pack with natural ingredients that'll give you that amazing glow. Hi, I'm Madhumita. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get into the video. The first ingredient we'll be needing is green gram. Green gram exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, and rejuvenates the skin. It's packed with vitamin A and vitamin C, which helps to reduce pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and gives a healthy glow to the skin. The second main ingredient is Mysore dal. Mysore dal works as an amazing cleanser enriched with various nutrients. This helps mainly with pigmentation. It also gets rid of acne, evens out the skin tone, prevents early skin aging, and also removes tans and dark spots. It is a natural exfoliator and also acts as a bleaching agent, helping to brighten up the skin tone. Now I'm going to put these two ingredients into a small blender and blend it until the texture of the powder feels like fine sand. To make this pack, we'll be needing a bowl to mix everything together, the powder we made. If you have dry skin, you can use curd, or else if you have oily skin, you can use unsweetened yogurt. Here I'm using curd. Then I'll be adding a little bit of sandalwood powder. This gives a soothing effect in the skin, removes blemishes, wrinkles, fine lines, dullness and tan. Next, I'm gonna include kasturi manjal. Kasturi manjal improves skin tone and overall complexion. It also reduces facial hair growth and acne scars. Now, let's mix all these ingredients together until we get a smooth paste. If you feel the paste is too thick, you can always add a little bit of water. Before applying this pack, wash your face with warm water to open up the pores. After that, apply a good amount of this paste on your face and neck. Let it dry for minimum 20 minutes. After it's completely dried, wet your face and neck with a little bit of water and scrub your face with the same pack. Then wash it off with cold water and finally apply a good moisturizer. After the first use, you can see an instant glow and freshness. Use this mask 3 times a week. For best results, use this regularly. Remember, nothing happens overnight without your effort. So be consistent. You can store this powder in a clean jar for up to 1 month and use whenever needed. That's it, friends. Try this DIY and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And also share this video with your loved ones. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye.